Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.
Look what I found here. Oh man, where are my manners? Y'all know who it is. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. This wasn't even on my list. 88,000 miles on this thing. Look at how clean it is. Let's go around here. Let's go around and take a look at it. Little work on the driver's side interior, but outside of that, it is super clean. Manual too, guys. Y'all know I love a manual car. Super clean X Type 3.0. Not bad. V6, guys, all through there. I'm thinking I might pop this right here, man. I heard a lot of bad things about Jags, but for the right price, for the low, we can make it happen. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Y'all know what to do. Subscribe, like the video, share it, and please ride with us. You know who it is, Mr. 602. T with Arizona Riders Club out here at the auction. Y'all know where we're at, trying to find some deals. Let me give you a quick rundown. We got a Mini Cooper, Honda Accord, Volvo S80, GMC Arcadia, Kia Sorento, I think. Not 100% sure. BMW 5 Series. That might be a 3 Series, actually. Pretty clean. I saw this Lexus last time. It has a dope paint job on it. Got a BMW X5. The X3, possibly. Chrysler. I'm not sure what that is. Minivan. Another BMW X5. I love those X5s, man. Chevrolet Malibu. Take a look at this range, man. I looked at this range, but it's got too many problems for me. And I know it's going to go for a ton. People love these cars, so not going to do it. Toyota Camry. BMW, another 5 Series, looking pretty sweet. Nissan Altima, one of my favos. Don't clown my I-40. Dodge Dart, possibly. Yeah. Hyundai Sonata. No, Hyundai Elantra. BMW 5 Series. That might be a 7 Series. Big boy out here. And then this Malibu. This one is the one I really like, man. It's not, doesn't have any problems with it. Low mileage. So we're going to try to nab that, man. Well, y'all know who it is. We're going to go over here and try to find some more deals. Please ride with us.